This Cyber Monday, immerse yourself in the world of skincare luxury with Glow Recipe. Get ready for a glow up like never before because they've unveiled exclusive deals that are too tempting to resist. I really love the Glow Recipe formula. So here's your guide to Glow Recipe Cyber Monday sales. So you get 20% off site-wide delight. Embrace the joy of radiant skin with a fabulous 20% off at site-wide. So use code CYBERWEEK to check out to unlock the glow getting offer. It's not just a discount, it's a radiant celebration. Daily drops of delight. Glow Recipe believes in surprises. Expect daily drops of skincare delight that will elevate your routine. It's not just skincare, it's a daily dose of luxury. Free Blueberry Cleanser Magic. Spend over $100 and you'll receive a full-size Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial for free. It's not just a mask, it's a refreshing journey to clean, glowing skin. Guava Eye Cream Bonus for orders surpassing $150. Indulge in an additional treat, a full-size Guava Bright Eye Gel Cream. It's not just an eye cream, it's a burst of tropical bliss for your delicate under eye area. This Cyber Monday, let Glow Recipe redefine your skincare ritual. It's not just a sale, it's a radiant experience. Dive into the world of glow goodness and unveil your most luminous self. Let me know if you're taking advantage of this sale. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.